Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and now you can install the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. So Amazfit GTS 4 has its own plethora of watch faces on the Zape app, which is the official app, but now you can install the custom watch faces. And when it comes to custom watch faces, you can also install the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces, which looks really great on this watch. And you can see these are exactly similar to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch face. So in this video we will see all the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces which you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch, and also how good these watch faces look. Along with that, we will also see the always on display and whether there are any functions on these watch faces. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, to install these watch faces, you need to install the MS Faces app, and this is the app which you will need to install the custom watch faces on this Amazfit GTS 4. So to install the watch face, you need to just click on it and click on this download option. Once you click on download option, you will also have to give the IP address so that you can install the watch faces on this smartwatch. So here you can see I am getting the install watch face option, where I can just click on there and install this watch face on this smartwatch. So if you want to know the full process how to install the third-party watch faces on this watch, I will recommend you to see the video which I will be leaving in the description. So the first watch face you can install is the Galaxy Watch 5 watch face, and this watch face comes with the name of Pro Analog in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and the watch face looks absolutely beautiful on this watch. You can see it is showing the weather along with the step count and the battery percentage. Also, this watch face comes with this red and black color, which looks absolutely fantastic on the Amazfit GTS 4. So definitely one of the best watch faces you are getting on this watch. The watch face unfortunately doesn't come with any of the always on display, but looks really good on this watch. The next Galaxy Watch 4 watch face you can install comes with the name of Galaxy Watch 4 only, and this watch face is really identical to the default watch face of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So you can see this watch face comes with these beautiful colors in the dark AMOLED display. Also there is an animation, and if you click on there, will go directly to the step count. So this watch face comes with this beautiful always on display, which looks really beautiful, and the colors really pop out on the screen. I will definitely recommend to install this watch face on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch. Next Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch face is the big number, which you can install on the Amazfit GTS 4. You can see the watch face comes with this beautiful color, and this is actually denoting the hour. So now it is 10:40, and you can see it is showing the number 10 in the background, and this watch face looks really good in this AMOLED display. So it doesn't come with any of the always on display unfortunately, but you can set the default always on displays as per your choice. Looks really good on the Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch, and definitely you can install this on the smartwatch also. So these are the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces you can install on this smartwatch, and they really look good on this watch. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.